We're harvesting for HONK.
That's why we're wearing silly costumes.
It's real tasty, Cal. HONK is this really amazing activist marching band festival we go to every year.
Every year for the past 5 years or so, we've brought a lot of food and cooked a really big meal for 400 activist musicians.
With Cal, lots of Cal. Like last year we did this same thing and we filmed every day of it. Like we have a film of us doing this, but a year ago. And we're gonna be publishing those videos once a day for the next 6 days.
So we got so much amazing footage from last year's HONK Festival that we couldn't fit it all into those 6 videos.
There was this really cool tune share, one of the party nights, where all of these musicians who didn't know each other came and they all learned this song. Here, I gotta show you,
Bass line on tubas and trombones. I want the drums to play a funk groove. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3. The rest of the horns, here's your part. It's a little funny. It starts on concert C. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-dum. Ba-da-ba. We're gonna do part 1, part 2, 1 bar drum break into part 3. That's what we're gonna do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Time for any more.
Wasn't that really cool? There's a lot of stuff like that that we want to be able to show you, but we can't really put it on our main channel. So if you want to see it, you can check on our...
I'm sorry, you're just flailing the kale.
If you want to see it, you can go to our Patreon page, and every Monday in October we're going to be posting an extra special HONK video just for our patrons.
Every day of the HONK Festival, starting tomorrow, we will be posting a corresponding video
right here
from last year's HONK Festival for everybody to watch. So come back tomorrow to see the first video.
If you like this video or share it, Facebook will show you the next video. You don't even have to come back here, wherever here is in your long feed.
And if you want live updates about this year's HONK Festival, you can check out our Instagram feed where we'll be posting stories every day.
So like and subscribe and do all the things, and we will see you tomorrow for the first HONK video. We're gonna be harvesting more kale and then driving to Boston, just like now. Bye!
Bye!